Magnum 44 Twin Cat Tarantula Edition by Oxidine Marine. One beautiful lean, mean speed run
Who's got the baddest
machine.
boats on the scene?
Once you pop the hood, it's pretty obvious why we call it the Tarantula. Look at that neat wiring and plumbing setup. We went with two Castle 1520 1650 kV motors to run on 8S. Fit beautifully in there with reinforced motor mounts to accommodate for the extra weight and size. Castle XL8 ESCs configured in there really nicely with our Tarantula up wiring harness. OPSL 01 steering servo. We even added a nice little aluminum steering button there for him in blue to complement the trimmings and accoutrements. And of course, this thing's got Big Daddy push-pull cable steering for great precision. Carbon fiber servo horn is customary and comes stock with this boat. Sliding carbon fiber trays, CNC machined. Beefy EC8 plugs, already wired in the configuration you need. 2 4S batteries on each side. Thick, triple thick carbon fiber and Kevlar hull. This hull is 1 layer carbon fiber. The next layer is carbon Kevlar. Then the next layer is another layer of carbon fiber. There is nothing as strong as this on the market. No hulls out there. I don't care if it's bulletproof. I don't care if it's somebody's dad proof. It's not as thick or as strong as our hull. This customer wants to go real fast and he wants something bulletproof. So we voided the sissy hatch locks with silicone, so that if he wants to make this boat a cruiser one day, he can just pop the silicone out and install his hatch locks. The business end. Here we have the bottom with V in the center of the belly pan, which creates lift. Because it has such a narrow tunnel, it doesn't create tons of lift through the tunnel. But as you see, the tunnel pushes down and creates a vacuum almost. Badassery outdrives. They're actually segmented and stepped to reduce drag. Much beefier than the ones that come on the Animal. Hull-mounted water pickups. 1 on each side. They pick up a lot of water. Matte finish. This matte finish repels water better than any smooth surface ever will. If you notice how heavy our weave is of carbon fiber. Precision ball bearings by Boca Bearings. These are ABEX 7s. Very expensive, and they make a difference. Stainless steel won't corrode or grit up on you in the water like ceramics will. If you want one of these Tarantula Edition Magnum 44s, inquire within. We're only doing a few of these this season. I think I'm only going to do maybe 3 to 5 more of these Tarantulas. And they are hot. They rip. Stay tuned. Subscribe to our channel. And look forward to seeing one of these Tarantulas rip in the next week.
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidine Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidine Marine.